I'll talk about the hustle trap. This is in 40 lessons I've learned in 40 years of being an entrepreneur. Don't work for work's sake. Don't just do busy work. Don't shuffle paperwork from this side of the table to that side of the table just because you're supposed to be doing something and you don't know what else to do. Figure out your A activity, your A-list activity, which is the things that move towards your dreams, towards your goals, towards your income producing activity versus away. You're either growing or you are dying. Pay attention. Don't just work for work's sake. Be careful of the workaholic mentality. All these things create a challenge and move you away from the world you really want. You want to have more advice, more key components on how to build your world? Go ahead and put in the chat Maverick Time for your structured, architectural time management, the Maverick system, all right here. Talk to you soon.